this is Dee from CreateLoveShare. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from Gbfke. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to review some more of their products, and I said yes, of course. They are a great budget-friendly website. They have all sorts of crafty items there, all sorts of bits and pieces, and I've been buying from them for quite a long time, so they're a really good company to deal with. Now I have chosen 3 different items today, and that's what they look like. So I have one diamond painting craft, and some silicone molds. So we might get started on my diamond painting. So this one here is a special drill. It's a little bit different. I saw this and thought, ooh, actually I quite like that. That's really different. Now that canvas is soft. Lovely canvas, actually. It is a 30 by 40 special drill, and let's just unravel that first. So we've got the canvas, we have a toolkit and some drills, and the toolkit here has some plastic tweezers, which I don't use. They're just a bit too flimsy for me. A single placer, a tray, and some wax. Let's have a look at this canvas. So this is, which way's up? It is an Oriental Dragon, and I just love this. My kid loves dragons, and I just really love the image. I thought, ooh, that is quite different. So what I'm going to do is just pull this plastic back, just so it can help it relax and flatten out. I'm not concerned about the waves and the folds, because it will flatten out after being under books for a little while. So I absolutely love this image. It's got your Oriental Dragon, and he's intertwined around here, and then he's around this little pot or a cup. I absolutely love the painting on this cup. It looks just amazing. And the background is done beautifully. Wow, that looks so cool. It's got 7 different drills in it. It looks like they are all rhinestones. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look. In we go. Look at that background. And I love the painting on that cup. I absolutely love that. Background looks amazing. I love the colors in the dragon. There is one symbol key that is up the top on the left hand side, but look at that. You can get some beautiful colors in there. Up to the top here. Look at that background. That is so well done. Very, very impressed. And then over here you have your symbol key. So you got seven different drills there. That is amazing. Alright, so I'll zoom you back out again. And we'll have a look at those drills. So the drills come on a standard strip. Oh, can I open it? There we go. And they are all rhinestones. So what did I say there were? 7? 7 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And I love these colors. Get some really beautiful rainbow colors. I've got yellow and clear. This beautiful orange, red, purple, blue, and this absolutely gorgeous green color. And I'm just having a look at the backs of those drills, and they look really, really good actually. They look really nice, those drills. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. There is this beautiful dragon. I just love the colors in it. I love how they've sort of done the design where he's sort of slinking around like that. Love his tail. I think that is going to turn out absolutely amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. And something a little bit different. So that is diamond painting number 1. The next one is it's a diamond painting craft, and I love these little projects. I think they're fantastic. They make great presents for people if you wanted to give it to them, you know, completed, or if you give it to them for them to do it themselves. These are great little projects, and they're really good to take around with you as well traveling. So this is a little keychain set, and it is a 5-piece set of little hearts. So you've got your little pieces there, a standard toolkit, but you get some Ziploc bags in with that one, and you've got some special drills. So I've done a few of these projects, and there's so many different things you can do with them. There's your keychain bits. So these are great for keychains. They're great for bag, you know, charms, that sort of thing. You can hang them in the window. You can hang them on the Christmas tree. There's just so much you can do with them. But these are, as I said, I thought there was 5. There is. There we go. Oh gosh, they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, isn't that pretty? They do have a lot of different ones you can choose from, though. It was kind of hard to decide which ones, but I like these because the hearts were sort of a little bit different. And they are double-sided. I'm loving the colors. So I have a special, I have an idea of how I want to hang these when I'm done with them. So I'll tell you that in a second. But really pretty. I love the designs on them. Really, really pretty. And the last one, double-sided as well. So if you haven't done these sorts of projects, they're very, very easy to do. It's acrylic plastic. It's quite hard, and you have your symbols printed there on both sides, and then all you do is you just peel back the plastic. I can do it. Just peel back that plastic. It is nice and sticky. And then place your drills and the symbols there. Coordinate with the symbols on your packets of drills, which they are numbers, so that's nice and easy to cross-reference. And then you do it again on the other side. So they look really, really cool. I'm quite impressed with the designs on there. And then, of course, like I said, you've got your little, they're just your ball link chains. Very easy to hook up. We'll have a look at those drills. What do I do with drills? So they're all rhinestones. Yep. Okay, so they're all sort of separate. So we have a clear, oh, they're nice and sparkly, yellow, oh, this gorgeous light blue. That's a pretty color. They look pretty good. There's one scratched one there that I can see that's pretty darn good. Pink. A lighter pink that's really pretty, that. And then red. So really nice colors. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these guys when I do them, and what I'll do is I'll do a video on it. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. But my idea is I love how these hang in the window, and like when the breeze sort of goes, they sort of flick around, catches all the light. Really, really pretty. So what I'm going to do is I have a little window in the laundry room, and there's nothing on it. And what I'm going to do is get a thin piece of dowel and cut it to size, and then I'm going to do 5 little notches in, evenly spaced, and then I'm going to hang these guys down from it into the window. And that way they're not sliding everywhere, and they can be sort of, I can have them evenly spaced, and then kind of even add to the chain and make some shorter, longer, I don't know. We'll see what happens when I get to it. So I'm just going to hang them all in the window. And that's going to look pretty cool because I don't want to put a curtain on that little window because I like the natural light that comes through. So that's kind of my idea and what I'm going to do with these guys. But I love how these are just different. They're elongated. They have these beautiful designs on them. There's going to be some really beautiful colors. Like, that's just gorgeous. I love it. I think those two are my favorite. Really pretty. Whoops. So a 5-piece keychain kit. Like I said, this makes a great present for somebody. Absolutely gorgeous. Or keep it for yourself and do some pretty cool stuff around the house. There's my 5-piece keychain set. That is gorgeous. I love it. Alright, and last but not least, I thought I'd try out this resin mold. So this resin mold, the silica mold, and it's bigger than I thought. Oh, okay, that's cool. And it is a wind chime set. So everything you need should be in this pack. And they've actually given you some strong and stretchy cord to hang your finished pieces with. That I like that. That's a great idea because sometimes it's hard to get the right pieces to put this all together. So I love that. And this is a moon. Ugh. I will get it. Ah, it's sticky. So this is a moon wind chime sort of sun catcher set. So you've got your moon and you've got your pieces there. So I'll start off with the moon. So first off, the mold is nice and shiny. So when you do your resin, you want to make sure your molds are nice and shiny because that shine goes onto your resin. Now I've only played around with resin a little bit, so I really want to sort of get more into it. And I thought this is a perfect idea. So you've got your crescent moon, you've got your little holes here and here. So I'm assuming that is from the top maybe, and that is from the bottom, and your little pieces hang from there. So that's nice. It's not too deep, but it's deep enough, I reckon. That's going to be gorgeous. And that's a decent size. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it feels nice. Like it's soft, but it's supported. So it's got enough support in it so that your resin isn't going to make it go all lumpy. So that is the moon. And then this little piece here. I love this. So you've got, they both have, no, most of them have the double holes. These ones have single holes. And so you've got a mixture of discs, moons, and stars. I love that. Oh, this one's pretty cool. That's going to look amazing. And what I really like about this is that you've got all your molds ready to get one project done in one pour. I really like that. Instead of having to reuse, you know, this mold because I need, unless you want to do all like stars or all moons or whatever underneath it. But if you wanted to use all of these, it's all in one go. And I really like that. Also, you don't have to use it just for this. You can use this as pendants for necklaces. You can have a star necklace, or you can make Christmas ornaments. You can do bag tags, keychains, all that sort of thing. So it's not just sort of restricted just to doing this particular wind chime. But that is amazing, and I like how these pieces are a nice size. They're not too little. And you've got a varying degrees of size as well. So that is amazing. Nice and shiny. And it's perfect size. That is going to make an amazing wind chime. So I will actually be doing a video on this further on down the track, and how I organize this and what colors I use and how it demolds and all that sort of thing. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled in a not too distant future for that one, because I wanted to get started on this pretty darn quick. So, but that looks Oh, that is just amazing, and I'm really, really impressed with the quality of these molds. They're really, really nice. So that's my latest unboxing package that I got from Gbfke. These gorgeous silicone molds from my resin. I cannot wait to get started on that. I've got these beautiful keychain hearts. They are just adorable. And then last but not least, got this gorgeous dragon, gorgeous dragon diamond painting as well. 3 very different projects that I got from Gbfke. I'd like to thank them very much for sending these out to me for review. I'm so looking forward to getting started on these. I will be doing review videos of these in the not too distant future, so keep your eyes peeled for all of those. The links to these guys will be in the description box below if you're interested in them. So thank you so much, Gbfke. It's much appreciated. I love these. And thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.